Welcome to the premier residence of 389 North Main Street, Unit A in Martinsville, Indiana. The most interesting aspect of this home is the building's flagship floor plan, specifically redesigned for those who value an open, sun-drenched atmosphere and modern sophistication. Following a complete property-wide renovation, this two-bedroom and one-bathroom home marks a brand new chapter for the building. Now, under the professional care of Red Door Property Management, we have ensured every detail meets modern standards for comfort and style. As the most spacious unit available, Unit A offers a seamless flow from the living area to the kitchen, creating an airy, expansive feel. Top features: Premium Plus layout, the largest floor plan in the building with a seamless, open-concept design. Maximum natural light. Oversized windows provide triple exposure sunlight throughout the day. Brand new finishes. Top-tier flooring, fixtures, and cabinetry from the 2024-2025 total renovation. Peace of mind. Professional management and updated Indiana code compliance, including new handrail systems.